Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles, which will be located on the top right side of the screen. So just swipe down from here and you will see your toggles right over here. Once you do, you can swipe down on those and this will extend the list of the visible toggles, which one of those toggles should be screen recorder. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. First time around, it will give you this pop-up right here asking you to agree to allow the device to use microphone and access to media and files as storage. So we're going to select agree. Gives us this pop-up here letting us know what the two functions are. So we have microphone, you can turn it on or off, and we have the record and the red square along with the timer. So I'm going to select got it. And as you can see, it's now recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done with recording, you can simply tap right here to stop it. This will automatically save the screen recording to your photos or gallery or whatever we have right here. Application. So we have gallery. And you can see it right now. I think it's already playing. Yep, it is. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.